June's giveaway is here, so join me to discover this month's wonderful prizes. Hi guys, I'm Kelsey and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And yes, you heard right, y'all. June's giveaway, it is finally here. So guys, as you know, before I've asked you, do you guys like more makeup or do you guys like a little bit more of the cosmetics? I got a mixed bags of reactions. Most of the people though, they do like when I do interactions, both skincare and makeup. So in this giveaway, we're gonna have a little bit of both. We're gonna jump right into these goodies. The first pick that I chose, I gave these products away, but in a different variation of colors. Guys, it is these babies right here. These are Rihanna's Avalanche Loose Body Glitter Powder, and I took a little bit of notes for you guys. The lucky winner will be receiving them in two shades, Foxy and Cleopatra. Foxy is like a rose gold tone, and Cleopatra is pure gold tone. These baby have 4.6 stars. They say, well, what people say is that they're very pigmented. They can be used on your eyes, on your face, and on your body, and that they are very long lasting. I myself have used this, and like I told you guys in one of my prior giveaways, I've given these babies away, and the person actually wrote me and told me that they love them. So this was the first pick for this month's giveaway. Now the next product, it is going to be a skincare product. Like I told you guys, this is also going to be a little combination giveaway. It is this baby right here, and it is Dr. Botanicals Po Mask. It has pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. This baby, guys, 4.5 stars. It is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, delaying the signs of aging overnight. So this baby is beautiful for the summer. Like I told you guys and keep telling you all the time, summer is coming up and we need to take care of our skin. That's why I'm trying to do these combination giveaways. This baby says is also enriched with coconut oil, hydrating and smoothing properties to truly moisturize overnight. It has pomegranate, which is high antioxidant that aims to nourish the skin. This baby is free of artificial perfumes, colorants, and parabens. How are you guys liking this giveaway? Please let me your comments below. Next product. And this product is, guys, amazing. I spoke about it in my prior video. So if you guys haven't, please go check it out. And reminding you also to please hit that notification button, hit that share button, and also that like button so you can see babies like this. This baby right here. It is from 311 Skin. So if you guys know, this brand is very expensive. It's the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This baby has 4.3 stars on their website. This Rose Gold is high in antioxidants, which helps the skin to protect against external aggressors. Also smooths and irritates the also smooths the irritation of skin. This has gold extract, a mineral extract that brightens even the skins and improves the circulation. Also promotes the reduction of wrinkles and fine lines. This baby right here, guys, I have received it in a subscription box, and I also went and bought it once myself. They do bring a pack of 5, so I said let me include one for anybody that wants to use it, because since they're a little bit on the expensive side, whoever wins it, guys, if you like it, you could go out and buy it, and if you don't, you will not spend your hard-earned money getting this baby. So with that being said, now we're gonna go to another makeup product, guys. So this baby right here is a brow pencil, and it is from Tristique. Another brand that I love receiving, and also I try to put a lot in giveaways because I do love them. This baby is also a brow gel, and the lucky winner will be receiving it in the color Mocha. This is their #1 seller. It does have 4.8 stars, and it says it's super sleek, triple thread brow pencil gel that defines, sculpts, and sets in seconds. It says it's long lasting, pigmented, and very easy to use. This baby does have 2 uses. On one side, it is the actual pencil, and on the other side is the brow gel. Yes, guys, the combination comes together. So like I said, the lucky winner will be receiving it in the color Mocha. Last product, and you guys know I always try to leave the ones I like the most for last. It is this baby right here. Yes, you guys are looking at this baby right. This is the One Size Patrick Star. Yes, baby. Vision eyeshadow palette. This baby brings 15 shades and it is a curated palette by Patrick Starr's favorite shades, featuring everyday mattes to pigmented shimmer shades. It is a natural to pops of color. It does have 9 mattes and 6 shimmers. I will try to leave somewhere here in the screen what it actually looks like, because I do not like opening them, because you guys know this is a giveaway. So now let's do a quick recap of the products the lucky winner will be receiving for this month of June. Starting with this baby right here, the Patrick Star palette, the 311 Brightening Rose Gold Mask, the Trestique Brow Pencil, Miss Rihanna's Avalanche Loose Glitter, and it will be 2 different shades that the lucky winner will be receiving. And the last little product is our another little facial product, which is our Dr. Botanicals Po Mask. These are the products our lucky winner will be receiving for the month of June. So those are the products that our lucky winner will be receiving for our giveaway in the month of June. So now we're gonna get to the greasy part. Guys, rule number 1 will be, as always, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Rule number 2, please like this video. And rule number 3 is gonna change this week, guys. I always have like a favorite word, but I wanted to spice things up. This month, just leave any comment you like. Anything you like below. How's the weather in your state? Where you from? How old are you? How you're feeling? Anything you like, just leave a comment below and you'll be entered to this giveaway. So rule number 1, again, subscribe to my channel. Rule number 2, like this video. And rule number 3, leave any comment you like in the comments below and you will be entered for our lovely giveaways. So guys, now I do want to give you a little heads up of upcoming videos that I might be having on this channel, that I will be having on this channel. We are going to be having some nail videos coming up, and I'll be having the info a little bit more about that in upcoming videos. I also am working on some hair. Yes, girl, because as you guys can see, you've been seeing me with different hair lately, and I do want to give you some brands that I've been using and also some tips of how to make it look even the more natural you can. I pick up tips and I do want to pass them along to you guys. So wait up for those. I do want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. Our community, as you see, guys, it is growing. To my old subscribers, guys, thank you so much. I really do appreciate all your support. That's why I try to do this giveaway, and that's why, well, all these giveaways. Not only because of that, because I do appreciate you, I love you, and I do, when I receive, I like to give. That's the kind of person I am. Another thing, guys, I don't know if you guys have gone to my Instagram or to my Twitter lately, but there's a little story developing there. Don't miss it out. It's at AllwaySunshine. You can follow me. Little sprinkle over there, little sprinkle over here. Good luck to everybody. See you in the next one. I am Kelsey, and please do not forget these 2 videos.